10 facts about urinary tract infections in women that will blow your mind. Urinary tract infections are an unpleasant and painful condition that more often affects women. It is thought that 1 in 5 women faces a urinary tract infections at some point in their lives. The main reason is the female anatomy, or the small distance between the anus and the urethra, which facilitates the passage of bacteria, usually Escherichia coli, to the urinary tract. The symptoms of urinary tract infections are easily noticeable and you cannot ignore them. These include frequent and strong urge to urinate, pain and burning urination, turbid urine sometimes has a strong smell or contains blood, pressure in the lower abdomen. The urinary infections are commonly treated with antibiotics, but they can reoccur, so prevention is very important. There are many things you can do to protect against urinary infections and to never encounter this irritating problem. These tips will help you and make treatment easier in cases when you have this type of infection. 1. Maintain good personal hygiene. After urination, always wipe from front to back to prevent the passage of bacteria from the anus to the urethra. The intimate area should be washed at least once a day. Do not use perfumed toilet paper or intimate powders and perfumes. Prefer shower instead of lying in a bathtub. 2. Drink large amounts of fluids. The more fluid you drink, the more you wash the bacteria. 3. Intake vitamin C. The vitamin C increases the acidity of the urine and reduces the growth of bacteria. 4. Urinate whenever you feel the need. Never postpone urination. Holding urine in the bladder over an extended period gives the bacteria a convenient location for breeding. 5. Urinate before and immediately after intercourse. Always urinate before and after sex to get rid of the bacteria that you would penetrate through the urethra. Before intercourse, have a glass of water. 6. Use sanitary pads instead of tampons. Tampons increase the risk of developing urinary tract infection, so if you are prone to infection, use pads. Change the hygienic pads during each visit to the toilet. 7. The cranberry tea and/or blueberries can help. Cranberry tea or juice helps in treating urinary tract infections, but it is definitely not a cure. A visit to the doctor is a must. It is best to drink natural unsweetened cranberry juice. It is also recommended a consumption of blueberry juice. When you buy cranberry tea, always read the label, since many teas contain only a small percentage of cranberry. 8. Do not wear tight clothes and G-strings, prefer cotton panties. Cotton underwear allows the skin to breathe and reduces the humidity, which encourages the growth of bacteria. Say no to the narrow trousers and G-strings if you are prone to infections. 9. Do not wear a wet swimsuit for a long period of time. If you wear a bathing suit which is hardly dried, change it immediately after coming out of the water. It is advisable to buy swimwear from materials which are easily dried. Water suit can cause vaginal infection. Avoid alcohol, caffeine and spicy foods. Alcohol, coffee, soft drinks, and spices can only worsen the situation. While struggling with urinary infection, it is necessary to completely avoid them. 10. Avoid douching. Douches can be harsh on your skin and cause a lot of irritation and lead to infection, so avoid using them. When faced with symptoms of urinary infection, see a doctor immediately. The above tips can help you in the treatment, but they should not be considered as a substitute for medical treatment. If you do not treat the urinary infections on time, they can be a serious problem. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.